It's the bottle of mom.
Oh, God. What kiss me man out of me? Now, you know, so this is why I have a son. Why am I carrying me on shopping? Oh, God, look here now. Me think them broke. Ah, just wait till me get my hands wrong, partner.
Sorry, Dapper. Do you need a hand?
No, me don't want your hand. You disgusting little sleaze bag. But your help me can use.
Oh, sorry, yeah, that's what I meant. Language barrier.
Well, let me just stop you there, Mr. Man. Cause my language hurt here. You see me?
What?
Mister, make me just stop you there, Mr. Man. Cause my language perfect.
Yes, sorry, I didn't get any of that, so I'm just gonna help.
Alright, thank you.
Sir.
Mr.
Brian Cox.
What you do? Give me something, there, man, you. Give me something. Give me thing, you look a weirdo. With the money there. Oh. This is for me shopping, you look a weirdo. Take me beats and take one train up for me, brother, in Africa. Mom! Oh no! Sorry, man. It's alright, man. Bana, something weird are going on. I know, man. People are running to their own deaths. They're killing themselves. Me know. Me just speak to a man or just run into a lamppost. Oh my God. No, it's okay, man. Me taking money. And in beats.
Stop moving, stop! Where are you going? Where are you going? No! What's wrong with you? Stop! What are you doing? No, get down, please!
Mom, it's the end of the world. Why would him stay there and watch the thing fall upon him head? Don't forget that, Mom. Look, I'm gonna meet my friend JK. He said he knows a safe spot. Okay. Let's go meet him. Just follow me and keep up, alright? Alright. God. Oh, God. Yo, Ash! What's going on, bro? What's happening? Ash, come on. Alright, let's go.
Ali, this one.
Wait, Dan! That lady needs our help.
I'll leave her, babe. That's not even your mum.
How do you know? I'm the doctor, remember?
I knew it. That's why you call up that bitch mum's mummy, innit?
Help me, Bana. Help me. Mom!
Don't worry, bro. I'll save our mummy.
Yo, Devana, is that your sister?
I sure hope not, brother. She is
No! That's my bird, right?
She's a lovely person. Just look at her saving my mum. Get off of me, stupid girl! Annie! What? Where that girl gone? And how that plane get there?
Wait!
What?
That was my girlfriend you left out there to die. Looks like you're my new bird now.
Whoa! Well, Mr. Tall Man, if you can provide for me and my son Bana, then I'm all yours. That's what happens.
Does anyone know what the heck is going on here?
It looks like that scene from Bird Box, man.
Yo, cut! Excuse me, dude. Like, can't be on set. We're filming here.
Sorry, man.
Yeah. Reset. Yo, Devana. Control your step, bro. What's going on here? Take two. And action. Does anyone know what the heck is going on?
Oh my God, what's going on? What's going on?
This has the government all over it.
It's like a virus or something.
No, it's not a virus. It's the devil.
Death for the government.
My homie saw it.
Huh? What homie are you talking about?
Tibbs.
Tips? Who's that?
Tibbs, the guy that sells the good crud.
The what? Oh, no, nothing, mum. He's just being silly.
Silly? I ain't being silly. I'm talking the good crud. The good crud. What's that for? Oh, my bad. Anyways, Tibbs, yeah. The guy that sells the DVDs, yeah, the DVDs. So anyways, I went to go and see Tibbs with his friend. I went to go and get some DVDs, and then literally, he just looks around, he gets up, and he just walked into the road.
Huh? And then what happened?
The car! He got hit by the car. He wanted to get hit.
Oh my God. So what you say is, if you see the invisible demons, it make you want to kill yourself? Oh Lord God, I'm not ready to meet you yet. Oh no. Vanna, what y'all do? Who y'all call? Calling my brother. Look, I know he's not your son, but I need to make sure he's alright. Come on, pick up. Pick up. Mum, what are you doing? What? Call it big brother. Boy, oh boy, I should have picked him over your father. Mum, I would rather my brother kill himself, die a horrible death, than to hook up with you. I mean, that's borderline incest.
Can we focus on the demons and the fact that the world is ending?
Yeah, we know. God, this is so messed up.
Hold on a second. Are you guys telling me it's the end of the world and I'm stuck in a room with my mum and Mandem?
Open up! Let us in!
Everyone be quiet.
It's just me and my twin sister.
I will deal with it.
Open up, I'm a police officer! Open up!
It's open. Okay, so everyone, this is our chance, okay? We need to do this right, yeah? Alright, so we're gonna ask them a few questions, yeah? To determine if we're gonna have them or not. And if they don't answer the right questions, then they're out of here, they're gone, alright? We need to make sure, because I'm not going to be stuck in the house with my mum, and no offense, but you man them, alright?
Right.
We got this?
Yeah.
Alright, cool, let's get in. Come on. Go.
Boys,
Give me your body. Baby, you so sexy, you just make my mind colo. Give me your body. The way that you move, you just make my mind just slow. Give me your body. I'ma get to rare, baby, what for me? Oh. Give me your body. What for me? Give me your body. What for me?
what's going on here?
We got some questions for you. Do you like tall guys or short guys?
Short. Tall.
Oh, alright. Manchester United or Manchester City?
Man United.
What's your profession?
I'm a police officer. Oh, I don't work, I'm a YouTuber.
So why are you dressed like that?
YouTube video?
Oh, I must get a pie. Are you single or taken?
Why?
Single or taken?
Look, I don't see what that's got.
Listen here, officer. We don't have enough room for you both in this house. Yes, so we're choosing wisely. Yeah, we only get one chance like this.
That's right, we don't want no screw-ups.
So as my son said, officer, single or taken?
Well, I'm single. I'm taken.
Boys, I think we have our winner.
Well, she doesn't even date men, so.
I bet she's a lesbian.
Oh my god.
Bro, no, man. They were so expensive. You should have said so, honey.
Surely there's room for both of us to stay.
Yes. There's a lot of room for all of us ladies. Come on, let me talk to you for a second. Well, get out! You look good, Jezebel. Shut up, move. Where? Go on to see the fox.